Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super handy trick how to insert a PDF directly into a Google Sheets cell. Maybe you keep project notes, invoices, or reference tables in Google Sheets and want to organize everything better by linking to important PDFs right there in your spreadsheet. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it, making your sheets much more interactive and organized. It's way easier than you think, and I'll walk you through each step so you can follow right along. Alright, let's dive in. First, before you can link your PDF in Google Sheets, you'll need to have your PDF stored in Google Drive. So if you haven't uploaded your PDF yet, go ahead and do that now, it'll just take a second. Assuming your PDF is already there, open up Google Drive. You can do this by heading to drive.google.com or just clicking into the Google Drive tab if you've already got it open. Now find the PDF file you want to link. If you have a lot of files, you might want to use the search bar at the top. Just type in the file name or a keyword and Google Drive will quickly locate it for you. Once you see your PDF in the list, take a look over on the right-hand side of that file row. You'll notice a few little icons that pop up if you hover your mouse over the file. One of these icons looks like a connected chain link or a person. This is the share icon. Go ahead and click on the share icon. When you click it, a sharing menu will pop up here, where you decide who can access the PDF, but for our purposes, we just want to link to the file. So in the pop-up, look for the area that says Get Link. If it's restricted, you might need to adjust it. Just click and select anyone with the link to make it easier for your collaborators to open the PDF. Don't worry, you can always switch it back later for privacy. Now click the Copy Link button. You might notice a quick little confirmation that says the link was copied to your clipboard. That's perfect, we'll need that for the next step. Now let's head back over to your Google Sheets. Find the cell where you want your PDF link to be. You can do this on a new sheet or an existing document, it doesn't matter. This blank cell will turn into your clickable link in a moment. Click into it and simply paste. Use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. You'll see the pasted link just as regular text for now. Here's a useful trick. After pasting your link, press the Tab key on your keyboard. This step might seem a little odd, but what it does is signal to Google Sheets to treat that cell's content as a link. You'll notice the text gets underlined and changes color. Now it's a clickable hyperlink. This means anyone who opens your spreadsheet and clicks on that link will be taken directly to your PDF in Google Drive. How cool is that? And that's it, simple, right? This little workflow can really save you time and keeps all your important docs just a click away from your spreadsheet. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any questions or want to share how you use PDFs in Google Sheets, just drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to the channel for more practical how-tos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.